thing. I mean,
oh yeah, I know. I'm sure it's holding size. I have to figure out. Someone comes to see something in my place. If there's a little noise, if there's a crack in the glass, that's all I got. Everybody wants everything perfect, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And you don't blame them, you know what I mean?
That crap like that's been there for years.
Oh yeah.
But you know, it's not. I mean, it did its job. It did its job. But like you say, if you're selling it, it's like a new car. You know?
If I sell it and something else hits that, someone gets hurt, that's the. So you know, you're a professional at this, and you didn't replace the obviously cracked safety glass. So, God, that lawyer's grandkids would still be getting payments from me, you know.
Yeah.
Unfortunately today, yeah, that's the way it works. There's no common sense left. You know what I mean?
Yeah. A little bit of.
It's not.
I don't know that it ain't always been that way. I really don't know.
It's not screaming or anything. It's just it's got like a dry, you know. Like X is a whisper and Z is a whisper. It's just the Y, I think.
Bearing or way guard covers or
I don't know. I mean,
of course, we got all the, we got all the stuff in here.
Yeah. Actually, I use that. That's the first thing I do when I go to my place. Otherwise, you can't demo it with the door open, you know?
Right. I was doing that with pretty well. When they done it every time, we got to put it on top of the door, like a fire drill. Everybody goes out the door.
We'll be right there. Tell me again what that was.
No, they don't see great. All black.
Oh yeah. You know what? The easiest thing to tell is